Imagine your car as an extension of your smart home, protected, connected, and always ready to capture the unexpected. A smart dashcam isn't just about recording reckless drivers or viral moments. It's about bringing the same safety, automation, and evidence you value at home to your vehicle. In today's video, we're looking at 7 best smart dash cams that seamlessly fit into a smart home lifestyle, keeping your car as secure and intelligent as your house. The TORVO TD3 DashCam, and it's basically the smart security camera your car has been waiting for. With 4K recording up front and 1080p at the rear, every detail, license plates, road signs, even unexpected moments, is captured crystal clear, day or night. Thanks to its 5G Wi-Fi and companion app, you can instantly view, download, or share footage right from your phone. No fiddling with SD cards. Built-in GPS smartly tracks your routes, speeds, and locations, making it perfect for keeping reliable records. The 170-degree wide-angle lens and sharp night vision mean fewer blind spots and better protection around the clock. Plus, its 24/7 parking mode safeguards your car even when you're not around. Easy to install, durable in extreme temperatures, and including a 64GB card, the TD3 blends cutting-edge features with convenience. A solid all-rounder to kick things off. Meet the 70mm 4K T800 DashCam, a powerhouse for anyone who wants full-spectrum protection and cinematic quality footage. With dual 4K front and rear plus 1080p interior recording, you're covered from every angle. Perfect for road trips, Uber/Lyft driving, or anyone serious about security. Its Sony Starvis 2 sensors and MyColor Vivid Plus tech deliver cinematic clarity, whether it's harsh daylight or dim tunnels. Night drivers will love the Night Owl vision that cuts glare and even captures backseat details with infrared. What makes it stand out for a smart home setup is its AI-powered 24/7 parking guard with 4G alerts. You'll get instant notifications if something happens while your car is parked, just like a home security system. Add in ADAS safety features, voice control, lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6 sharing, and a massive 512GB card included. And the T800 isn't just a dash cam. It's a full smart driving assistant. If you want a dash cam that doubles as more than just a car accessory, the Vantrue E360 ACE is it. With 3 2.7K wide-angle lenses, it eliminates blind spots and even lets you switch to creative modes like panoramic or dual fisheye. Perfect for capturing road trips in a whole new way. But here's the twist. Attach it to the handheld mount and it transforms into an action camera, ready for vlogging, camping, or travel content. Powered by dual Starvis 2 sensors, HDR, and 8 infrared lights, it nails low-light performance inside and out, day or night. Add 5 GHz Wi-Fi for instant sharing, dual GPS logging for precise route tracking, and a buffered 24/7 parking mode with pre-recording. And you've got all-round protection that feels like part of your smart ecosystem. With voice commands and a swipe-friendly touchscreen, the E360 ACE is equal parts dash cam and lifestyle gadget. For drivers who want more than a basic dash cam, the Nextbase 622GW delivers one of the most feature-packed experiences you can get. It records in detailed 4K at 30 frames per second, with an option for 1080p at 120 frames per second. Perfect for smooth slow-motion playback when you need it. This dash cam also integrates Amazon Alexa, so you can control it hands-free with simple voice commands. One of its most important safety features is Emergency SOS, which automatically shares your location with emergency services if you're in a crash and can't respond. Video quality stays strong in challenging conditions thanks to digital image stabilization and an extreme weather mode that cuts through fog and mist. A built-in polarizing filter further reduces windshield glare. The 3-inch touchscreen makes operation straightforward, though some users find the responsiveness slightly lacking. While larger and more expensive than other dash cams, the 622GW stands out with its premium features and support for add-on cameras. If video quality is your top concern, especially in tricky lighting, the VIOFO A229 Pro is a dash cam worth considering. It's equipped with Sony's new Starvis 2 sensors. The IMX IMX678 in the front and IMX675 in the rear, delivering excellent clarity and low light performance. The front records in 4K while the rear captures in 2K, so you get detailed coverage from both ends. Even in tough conditions like night driving or early morning glare, license plates and road signs stay sharp. HDR ensures balanced exposure when headlights, shadows, or reflections would normally ruin a shot. With fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, transferring footage is quick and hassle-free, and you can add a third camera for interior monitoring. While installation may be simpler with other options, the A229 Pro stands out for its focus on delivering professional-level video quality. The Vueroid S1 Infinite is built for drivers who want uncompromising clarity and smart protection in one sleek unit. With Ultra 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, plus Vueroid's own ISP tuning, you'll get crisp, detailed footage in every driving condition, even at night thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensor and premium HDR night vision. It's not just about quality, though. The S1 Infinite features a smart DuraShift parking mode that goes into ultra-low power standby to prevent overheating and battery drain, yet springs into action in under a second if it detects an impact. The geofencing system even knows when you're home and automatically disables parking mode so your battery stays healthy. Add in AI-powered license plate restoration for blurry footage, automatic privacy blurring, built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing, and you've got a dash cam that combines cutting-edge video tech with thoughtful, real-world safeguards. If you travel often or need to keep track of multiple vehicles, the BlackVue DR970X Plus is built with you in mind. Its biggest strength is cloud connectivity. Thanks to LTE support, you can live stream, access recordings, and check in on your car from virtually anywhere without relying on a Wi-Fi hotspot. That makes it ideal for people who want constant visibility and control over their vehicles. The camera hardware is equally impressive. The front unit uses Sony's Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor to deliver crisp 4K footage with excellent handling of glare and reflections. Storage is efficient too, as H.265 compression keeps file sizes manageable even with high-resolution recording. Plus, its 10-second event buffer captures the moments leading up to incidents, not just the impact itself. You can also manage multiple vehicles under one account with automatic firmware updates and a discreet design. While it's pricey, around $482 plus a cloud subscription, the features make it one of the best cloud-connected dash cams available. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best smart dash cams. So, which dash cam would you trust to protect your car and family? Let us know in the comments below.